When we describe the genotype of a diploid organism, we will be coming across few terminologies like homozygous, heterozygous, and hemizygous. Now we will see what are those things. And these words were derived from Greek. Zygos means yoked. Yoked, other mean is coupled or attached with. So each gene will be coming as an allele, two different alleles or same alleles, whatever it may be. They will be coming as two copies. That is why it is called as yoked. Now we will see what is homozygous. Homo means similar or identical. Zygos means yoked. Both the alleles are almost similar. They are same. They are same. They are coding for a same phenotype. So they are said to be homozygous. These alleles may be coding for a dominant character or a recessive character depending upon the nature of the allele. In that case, we will be writing that as two capital letters or two small letters. Now coming to the next terminology, that is heterozygous. That is, two alleles are different. Hetero means different. Two coupled alleles are not of the same type. They are of different types. One will be coding for one character, the another one will be coding for another character. In this case, we will be describing that as capital letter and small letter. Both the letters will be there. Now coming to hemizygous. Hemi means half. In case of X chromosome, the males will be having a single copy of that, whereas the females will have two copies of it. So female will have two alleles, whereas in case of males, even though he is diploid, he is not having two alleles for all the genes which are present on X chromosome, because he is having only one X chromosome. So whatever alleles that are present, whatever genes are present on the X chromosome will be present in a single copy in case of males. So this condition is said to be hemizygous.